speed team. So it helped me a lot. And I gave all the 19 tests are there for NEET and around 12 or 13 tests for INISS, sir. I gave all the tests, and that helped me a lot. And there is one section in pulmonary medicine, high yield series.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of SPEED to Dr. Rishabh Maheshwari for scoring a rank number 61 in DM Respiratory Medicine Group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir.
And at the very outset, let me thank you for sparing your time to share your valuable experiences with us and also to the students.
Yes.
So can we know your detailed background history from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Sir, I did my MBBS from People's College of Medical Sciences from Bhopal. Then I did MD Respiratory Medicine from Bharati Vidyapit, Pune. Then in NEET access 2004, 2024 was my first attempt. I scored a rank of 86, but I didn't get a college. Then I again attempted NEET SS 25 and I got 61 rank.
Excellent. So a very good performance and achievement that you have done and your great accomplishments. Now, can we know why Super Speciality? I mean, when you chose to prepare for Super Speciality, who inspired you to do so?
Sir, actually, my senior inspired me to do super specialty course. And one thing was in my mind. I did my UG and PG both from private medical college. So I want to do one degree from the government medical college. So that was my first aim. So that's why I attempted for DM pulmonary medicine group, sir.
Excellent. Great, doctor. Now, once you decided to do a super specialty, what all you did, how all you worked, what was your preparation strategy to achieve this rank today?
Sir, after my MD exam, I passed my MD exam on last year, Feb 25, Feb 25, yes, sir. Then after my MD exam, I subscribed for Speeds. Then on March 29 March for the exam 25. So बट सर उस समय सर मेरा मतलब इतना प्रिपेयर नहीं करा था तो सर आई सॉल्व ओनली एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम द क्यू बैंक सर and give attempted and I got 86 rank. But this time, sir, from October, so I started watching videos and I thoroughly give all the test series of the speed, sir. That helped me a lot, sir, during my exam because it exactly replicate the exam, sir.
Wow, great. How many questions did you attend this exam?
Sir, I attempted, sir, 149 questions, sir.
Great. Can we know the pattern of this exam? Was it a PG exit standard or a little super specialty was also there?
Sir, I believe, sir, this time the paper was more clinical as compared to, sir, last time, sir. Last 24, NEET SS 24. And there are more clinical questions in this year, sir, NEET SS 2025, sir, as compared to last year. And moderate difficulty levels, sir.
Great. Now, can you tell us what will be a message for the future aspirants of DM Respiratory Medicine Group?
Sir, I believe in only two things, sir. First is consistency, sir, and the second is self-belief, sir. And anything is possible, sir. Because from my background, sir, from a private medical college to this rank, sir, this is because only these two things I achieved this, sir.
Great. Can you share your experience of speed for your preparation for this exam?
Sir, first thing I want to mention, sir, test series is the best, sir, because it exactly replicates, sir, exam, sir, NEET SS exam, sir. So it helped me a lot, and I gave all the 19 tests are there for NEET SS and around 12 or 13 tests for INISS, sir. I gave all the tests, sir, and that helped me a lot. And there is one section in pulmonary medicine, high yield series, sir, of Saurabh Pahuja, sir. That helped me a lot, sir. I watched video once and 4 to 5 times I scrolled the PDF, sir.
Great, doctor. I mean, it's nice to know and thanks for sharing your experiences. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. That from day one till date, they helped you to what you achieved today.
Sir, firstly, my parents, sir, they believed in me that I can achieve something, sir. Then, sir, Saurabh Pahuja, sir, and Speed team. And then my faculty members from Bharti Hospital, sir, especially Anita ma'am and Anubhuti ma'am. and my colleagues, especially Dr. Tanmay and Dr. Dhruv, sir. They helped me a lot, sir, during my journey, sir.
Great, wonderful to know. And once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful career in DM, pulmonary medicine as your super specialty. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.